Hello YouTube. Today I have this pineapple slicer. It's from Professional, and I think this is the first time I've tried this pineapple slicer. Otherwise I would just use a regular knife. This tool I think seems like really easy to use, and as you can see in the pictures, it looks very handy too. So I've got some instruction over here. This is kind of shows how you can use this one. It's got some hints, let's say how ripe your pineapple is, and some steps over here. You can cut the top of your pineapple and twist until you get close to the bottom, then pull straight. This is really straightforward, and you can see with the pictures. I'm gonna show my pineapple here that I bought. So if you see here the pineapple that I have here, you can see the leaves. It was green when I bought it, but now the leaves have already started browning, and my pineapple, this looks pretty much ripe. So let's try this slicer and see how it really helps and make my pineapple cutting easier. So as the description says, I'm gonna first cut the top of the pineapple, line up, and then twist until I get close to the bottom. And you can see I have to push this handle, kind of creates this rings of the interior of the pineapple, and you have the shell left out, some part of the pineapple. So let's see how it goes. So I think first I'm gonna wash this in warm water, then after that I'm gonna come back and cut the pineapple. So now I've washed my pineapple slicer, and now you can see how it's designed on the bottom. That way it kind of slices your pineapple as you push this tube down from top to the bottom of the pineapple like this. Goes like that till the end bottom of the pineapple, and I'm gonna do it from the middle. So first just cut your this top of the pineapple, get rid of this leaves part. You can see I have this flat surface on the top. So what I'm gonna do is I think my countertop is a little bit higher. See, it's got some groove on the edges, so I'm just gonna first line up straight and just start rotating. See, it's going down because of this these sharp teeth, and it has those sharp teeth on this side also. So that way it kind of helps to dig down while it rotates. So I'm just gonna start rotating. Well, it's going down. It's kind of like a clockwise. You can see those juices are coming out. So just kind of push it and try to rotate clockwise. So I'm rotating. If you see on the down, it's going down, and the juices are kind of coming on the flooding from the surfaces. So I'll keep rotating. So it's going down further. It's a little bit of hard work compared to what I thought. I think it depends on the pineapple also. So far it's kind of lined up in the middle, but the juices are coming out all over the pineapple. So it's going down. It's a little bit hard work. As you can see, it's going down. So I'm just gonna hold the shell of this pineapple with my left hand, and I'm just gonna try to pull the pineapple from this handle. So it's coming out. I'm just gonna use my left hand. So it's coming out. It's a little bit harder work, but it does its job. So there you go. I think I got this whole swirl of pineapple inside, and you can see the cell is inside, and you can see the juice that's contained in the inside the cell. So I'm just gonna use a cup and just pour the juice in the cup. That way I don't spill more. I mean, that kind of helps you to best utilize your juice from the pineapple. And now I think all I have to do is press this button and just press it, and now it's coming off. And there you go. I think it's very easy. Now you can see the swirl. I think it's worth it. I mean, like for the price, it really does its job. That's how it works, guys. It's very easy. All you gotta do is just cut the top part and just push it down there. It kind of rotates and goes down, and once you're done with that, you just pull it, and after you pull it, you just get this handle out and you just invert it and slide the pineapple slices. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is definitely a worth it tool for pineapple slicing.